pancake! So lately my car's been running warm, mostly in traffic or if I'm blasting the AC on a hot day. I had planned to take my car to Firestone for an alignment. This has nothing to do with the radiator, but because I plan on lowering my car in the future, I was going there specifically to get a lifetime alignment. Anyways, while I'm there I asked them to do a leak down test on my radiator just in case. As it turns out, my radiator had a leak, so they provided me with an estimate to replace everything, as well as do some maintenance items due to the high mileage on my car. Now, I usually work on my own car, but I had to act fast because this was my daily and I couldn't miss any work. I let them know I'd call them back and I decided to just bring the car home. As soon as I got home, I ordered everything I needed from Amazon with 2-day shipping. It came out to about $500. Not so bad compared to the $1,300 estimate. My roommate Tofu comes out to help me, and we start taking everything off in preparation for the install. Yes, Tofu. Like the food? It's short for Christopher. Anyways, we get started taking everything off the car.
Oh yeah, there it goes.
At this point, the old radiator and thermostat are off, and the new parts are here. I ordered a fan shroud too, so I set about opening that first. It gets weird, however, when I go to open the radiator, because it feels like the same box. Yep, Amazon sent me 2 shrouds and no radiator. I go ahead and request a replacement order for another radiator, but I'm curious how they could have been mixed up. Upon further digging, I discover the box actually had a sticker with the wrong part number on it. That's why the wrong one was sent. I guess I'm gonna have to wait a couple more days for the radiator, but in the meantime, at least I can get started on installing the new thermostat and belts.
That wasn't what I wanted to do. I missed my
The radiator has finally arrived. It's been a couple days since we started, and I'm excited to finally get everything back together. All that's left is one more montage of us putting in the radiator, and we're done with the install. After filling up the fluids, that was it. No more leaks, and my car runs even cooler with the upgraded radiator. I'm happy with my decision to order the parts, and not only did I spend half the money to fix my car, I got an upgrade in the process.